Hi there. Good to see you. Thanks for joining me. I'm Linda Hollington. And today we're going to talk about condo relief. I don't know how many of you are aware what's been going on with the condo in the recent years, but this is a big deal. And actually, you can find this on Governor Desantis' Facebook page because that's where I found it. He talks about delivering this relief. The first 4 points that to make out of this that he signed, it's called HB913 is the name of the bill. But it's giving financial relief to these condo communities. I know I have condos listed and not too many people are interested because they're a little frightened of all that's going on with the condo. So financial relief and flexibility for the owners. It extends the reserve study deadline a year. That's a little relief right there. It allows a 2-year pause in the reserve contributions so that the owners can prioritize urgent repairs that they have right now. So that's an important one. It raises the threshold for required repairs from 10,000 to 25,000. So there's more need there than there was. Provides immediate relief from sudden fee assessments too. The next 3 things are on oversight and accountability. It enhances the state's enforcement of insurance and education requirements for people that are running these condos and participate in this. It allows boards and unit owners to terminate contracts if the condo laws are not followed. It requires competition bidding and full disclosure of all conflicts of interest. So if there's a conflict of interest with someone, it will not be hidden from you. They may be making a good point that you're missing. And the last but not least, it's empowering the owners. And that's what's important to these buyers that are out there that are searching condos, worrying about where do they stand. It mandates online access to association records for owners. That means it mandates a website. And you'll have your passwords or however they set it up for you to get in, but you will have access to them. You'll have no one putting you off because they haven't given you an answer or whatever document you need or whatever that is. It requires reporting property and associating data to the state. So the state is going to be inclusive in this information, which they have not always been. Expands use of video conferencing and e-voting so that if you have snowbirds in these condos, meaning they are not here in the summertime, but they're up north or wherever they go, and they will be able to participate in the meetings and the votings. So nothing will be kept back from them. It promotes financial transparency by requiring the association to share financial records with the owners. They're going to be required to do it. And they will have to make a statement in proof that they're doing it. These reforms protect the condo owners most of all. They strengthen the board's accountability and ensure safer, more transparent communities. And I myself, as a realtor for Coldwell Banker Paradise, we have a lot of those for sale on Beachside, and there are a lot of fears concerning these after the bad collapse we had down in Miami and all the rules that came through on that and the money that it's cost these condo owners. So, but that all has to be disclosed to you. So if you're interested in condos and you have been and you're disappointed because now you feel like it's not a good thing to check into them. And check into what our governor has done to help make that better for the owners. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you again soon.